Hi, I'm Kevin Fry from D-Tools here at InfoComm 2026. I'm here at the D-Tools booth. D-Tools has been around since 1998, and we have two platforms. System Integrator is our enterprise solution that we started back in 1998, and over the last several years we've also built out a cloud-based solution we call D-Tools Cloud, and we build really the operating system for integrators. So we have tools that will help you if you're a one-man shop or up to the largest enterprise solutions. Everything from quoting tools to sales management tools, procurement, inventory solutions, as well as design and engineering tools that integrate with Visio and AutoCAD, as well as some built-in tools that are part of our D-Tools Cloud solution to allow you to create various types of drawings and interconnect diagrams right inside your browser, all the way through scheduling, planning, installation, and out to service management. We also, for both platforms, have iOS and Android apps that allow us to communicate project details and scheduling to our field teams. To learn more, you can find us at www.d-tools.com.